Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. It is time to do a flower pop, and we're going to do a big canvas today. We're going to do a gallery wrapped 12 by 36 inch canvas. I love doing these. I actually have sold all of them but one. And I think the one that I haven't sold just doesn't have the oomph needed. It turned out dark. So I am going to be doing something fun with that as well. But for today, I have some pretty colors. We are going to start with, we've got some Triart Quinacridone Red. I have some Cheap Joe's Red Violet. I actually didn't realize I had some made up. I like this color so much, so I've double the amount. I'm then working, it is the Azo Pink, Rose Azo or Azo Pink Transparent by Pebeo. And you can see the color is really pretty. It's got a iridescent shift to it a little bit, I think. And then this one is going to be Amsterdam. I think it's Persian Rose, light rose, and I added a tad bit of white to bring it. I don't want the colors to be so close. Then I think I'm going to lay these three down, and I think I'm going to swipe with this. Swipe with the darker one, maybe blow out with white. We're going to see. All right, so we're going to stir this up. I mixed these up last night, so here we go. Oh, I just love this Pebeo. Such a pretty color. Beautiful. 3 to 2.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then some water. It depends. If you're using craft paint, I'll use 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, just because you want to get the right consistency. I'm going to put it here. Look at that. Oh boy, I love it. Pretty, pretty. All right. Probably use all of these, so I really wanted to keep this light. Let me see what I got over here. Sparkly lip gloss. It really isn't sparkly. It doesn't have sparkle in it, but it's got a little bit of a shimmer. So we're going to go through and beautiful colors. Use all of it. Use all of it and hope we don't need any more. I don't have any more. I'm going to add just a drizzle of white. And I apologize. I know I'm switching up as I go because I really want this to be really soft underneath the dark color. And it might be a mistake. I don't know. We will see though. Okay. I tip it about like I always do. I'm not going to mix it up because we will when we tilt on this one. So pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Can you see? I'm going to move it down just a bit. Or I'll move my phone. There you go. Now, I'm just going to move this just a bit so you can see I'm putting, there you go. Okay, put the line right here. Okay. All right. That's a big, thick line. Okay. Okay, we are going to use plastic on this. I apologize, you can't see, but I will show you as I pull this down. And I actually sped this up quite a bit because I was just really focused on a good background on this one. So we will see how this turns out. You need a lot of paint to be able to get some of that darker color to the bottom. I'll see you there. Okay, guys, whoo, I'm glad that's over. That's the hardest part when you're doing these big canvas. All right, I just got to touch up these edges, go down some of the paint, make sure we're covered. Okay, now this way just a tad. I'm on the other end of my table, so I'm hoping you can see. I'm just rocking this about. I will adjust the camera here in a minute. I changed my art studio just because I'm doing a lot of resin work and I needed more room for a resin table, and I just don't know if that's gonna work because I really liked my 6-foot tables. I had 2 6-foot. Now I have 2 4-foot, and it's I'm not crazy about it. Let's put it that way. Okay, now we're gonna go this way. And we're gonna flip this around and have this light color at the top. Here we go. I don't even know what I'm doing. We're gonna start in this corner. And once you do it, on these big ones, that's all she wrote. All right, we're gonna use puffy. Yeah, I think for the first flower, I'm gonna use my straw. So I pardon my head. Okay. Okay. That one up a little. All right, so we are going to do a vine, and it looks like because the colors are so similar, I am going to have to add a color to this, so no worries. And you never know until you blow your first flower. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do something different, I guess. We're gonna go down. Let me figure this out. We go down and down. All right, so where's the halfway point? So we know it's 36. So 36 is there. There. Okay, now. And that's okay. Beautiful. All right. Okay, now we can do our flowers because we know where we're doing this from. I like it. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm gonna do bigger flowers on this one. So we're gonna go here and here to start. There we go. Got Puffy. Here he is. Okay. Beautiful. Let's keep going. I go here, go in a little bit now.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. together tomorrow. I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together.
Bigger flower here. 2 petals, 3 petals, 3-petal flower. Okay. All right, good. There we go. Three 3-petal flowers. Now we're going to do 2 petals, 3 down each side. Let me go about here and here. Okay, 2 petals. And 2 petals. Okay, and 2 closer petals. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. Okay. Two petals in here. Yeah, 2 petals. We can do them a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay, so I want to add more of a feathery, fluttery, like flower to the rest of this canvas. I don't want it to be so distinct like I typically do. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to really blow out these flowers and kind of have them run together. And that is how I came up with the name Flutter. I just absolutely love this painting. It just dried beautifully. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the end and I'm going to show you the dried results of Flutter. I will see you there.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different 2 souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together.
Okay, let's go down close up. Look at these beautiful flowers. I am in love with this color palette. I will do a couple small canvases with the same paints. Beautiful. We're going to go up, all the way, and down. Beautiful. I love it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I will show you the dried results. I'll see you there. Okay, here you go. Look how beautiful this turned out. It dried the same way that you saw when it was wet. It's absolutely stunning. I love these large canvas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more flower pop videos. They'll be coming out soon as well. Take care, everyone. Till next time.